the set, she was giving me encouragement. Kasi parang siguro natatakot siya at the time na baka anytime mag-give up ako, parang bumigay ako or something. So, she was really very supportive in a lot of ways, and I will never forget that. In my career, I've always been proud and happy to say that karamihan ng mga pelikula ko naging mama ko talaga sa dito. And modesty aside, parang people would sometimes compare us. And not compare, but parang they will say, oh, bagay nga si Tita Gloria na maging mami mo, magkamukha kayo. Kamukha ko ang Korean, kamukha ko ang si Tita Gloria na kamukha ni Mama Mary. Oh my goodness. I'm honored, always will be. I will never